Hello, everyone. This is my review of the Heavenly Hunks Oatmeal White Chip Cookies. If you're a fan of classic oatmeal cookies with a sweet twist, this might be the perfect snack for you. It comes in a resealable bag that allows you to keep the freshness in and reseal it. So if you don't finish it all in one setting, you're able to have it sealed up and fresh. The oatmeal white chip cookies offer a wonderful blend of flavors. The oats provide a hefty, hearty, chewy texture, while the chocolate chips is creamy and sweet. Contrast. The combination is comforting and satisfying, making each bite a real treat. The texture is spot on, chewy with a slight crispiness around the edges. This is a pretty good snack, and I hope this review helps.